This Coldwell Banker High Country Realty property video is presented by Kelly Shuler. Sit on your porch and soak up the mountain views from this ranch-style brick home on 4.61 level acres. This spacious 3-bedroom/2-bath has a large kitchen with an amazing amount of cabinets, dining room, oversized living room, laundry/mud room, outbuilding/workshop, 3-car garage, and best of all, no covenants and restrictions. Most furnishings will convey with the home. You don't want to miss this home. Call me today. For more information, review the details below or contact Kelly Shuler at 828-361-2074.